Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Evie from Ev's Eats. So for today's recipe, I'm sharing with you this really quick, easy, and delicious beef fried rice. And I'm also showing you how I like to unwind by making this dish and pairing it with a delicious glass of red wine. So this might sound a little crazy, but one of the ways that I love to unwind after a really busy day is by coming home and cooking something satisfying to eat. And this beef fried rice is just that. It's something that I can whip up really quickly in about 15-20 minutes, and it's just so satisfying to come home to a home cooked meal. And also, I love to pair this with a glass of red wine. Red wine helps me to de-stress. It's like the ultimate comfort thing for me. So, whipping up this beef fried rice and opening up a bottle of red wine and sipping throughout the night is the perfect way for me to de-stress. So I've got about half a pound of beef, and what I'm going to do is slice it and saute it in a pan for about 5 minutes, just until it begins to brown. And once it's brown, I'm going to remove it from the skillet and set it aside. Okay, so now I'm adding some chopped onions to the pan, and I'm going to saute that for about 1 to 2 minutes, just until brown. And then I'm going to follow that up with our frozen stir-fry vegetables. So this is gonna saute for about 5 to 7 minutes. I just want all the vegetables to cook down. And then we're gonna add some eggs and some rice and our seasonings. And you guys, this fried rice is almost done. So what I've done is I've pushed all the vegetables out to the side, and now I'm adding our eggs to the middle of the pan. I'm just gonna scramble that really quickly. Guys, I apologize for my hands being all up in the camera. I don't know what I was thinking when I was shooting this, but yeah, so we're just gonna add the eggs and scramble them. And then we're just gonna add in the beef. So now I'm adding some day-old rice. You want to use day-old white rice because it holds up better in the fried rice. So I'm just gonna add it to our skillet with our veggies and our eggs and mix it all together and continue sauteing it. So to season the rice, I'm going to use some soy sauce, rice white wine vinegar, some sriracha, some sugar. I also have some honey, so I may use that. But that's mainly what I'm going to use to season it. And all I'm going to do is just add it directly to the rice. And so as always, if you guys want a full list of ingredients and step-by-step directions, make sure you visit my blog seats.com, where you can get the recipe printed out and you'll be able to make it just for yourself. So I'm just going to continue to add in the rest of the ingredients, and then I'm going to saute it for another 5 minutes. I like my rice to get a little crispy at the bottom, so I'm going to let it sit for like 2 minutes without stirring it, and then right at the end I'm going to toss it all together, and that's it. Rice is done. So having a home cooked meal with a delicious glass of red wine is definitely one of my favorite ways to unwind, and it's even better when the meal only takes 20 minutes to make and is super easy. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below and let me know what ways you guys like to de-stress. I would definitely love to know. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye!